Hello, welcome everyone. Today's video, I'm going to show here about to be here on this progress. So what you're gonna do is about for this video about to know how you actually start to edit history. Really, what we're gonna do is about start to know actually start to go on that. Okay, so really about that. So red thing is about be understood on this video is going on with that, and as you can see, you will actually click here on the edit and then start to click on edit history or change history, but this really not even good. But I don't know why you would like to start to change history. This is gonna be about to have some kind of things that really going on to have problems in history or something that it should be about to undo. Okay, and maybe you can actually change history on as a plugin. Okay, or edit history. So editing history, param history, last edit miles, but that's not wanna work. Version history Slack. So you can actually see the version history that you would like to start to have the Slack app. I know this app actually, so you can actually start to add it, whether this gonna be about to have through that.